Welcome to another episode of Aerones News and Updates with your host, Giannis Clavins. This has been an amazing season for us, with loads of new projects and established connections. We're more busy now than ever. The best part is that we've advanced our technologies to perform well in lower temperatures, and therefore the season does not end as the mercury drops and the fall colors show their brilliance. So let's begin. First of all, we have successfully completed the testing of our offshore technology at the Leavenmouth or Catapult site in Scotland. The Aerones submersible anchor and winch solution has been in the works for more than a year. And now we can confidently say that Aerones is revolutionizing the offshore and wind turbine O&M, bringing our amazing technology to remote offshore turbines. Congratulations to our innovative engineers and technicians. One of our latest technology innovations is that we've developed the blade internal crack monitoring system. The thing is that not all internal blade damages require immediate action. Therefore, we offer a solution that keeps track of damage progression, thus saving customer money on non-critical repairs. Let us know if you want to learn more about this development. We've had a blast in the many trade shows around the world. Some of the recent highlights include Wind Energy Hamburg, CNE in Paris, and the Sandia Blades Workshop in the USA. Take a look at a recap video from the Hamburg event, offering an exceptional VR experience to our visitors. We also showcased our leading-edge repair robot, internal inspections crawler, and autonomous drone. These events are a great success, and we're looking forward to meeting you in upcoming events. Last but not least, make sure you sign up for our free webinar on November 27th. Our CEO, Dinas Kruse, will share some exciting news on our inspections front. Why, how, and when to inspect turbines for optimal return on investment for peak performance. For webinar topics and details, look for the registration link in the description below. That's it for now, folks. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks, and have a great day.